Hi, this is David at Stoneyard.com. I'm here today at the mill in Gill, Massachusetts, where they've used a substantial amount of our Boston blend thin veneer. In this application, they had a mixture of the ledge and the square and wreck. Notice the mix also is done on the corners. You've got, looks like 3-inch sill pieces on the bottom parts of the windows, header pieces above the windows, these beautiful columns on the front part, a nice cupola up above. And then, look at this. We're at a mill, so nothing like a mill wheel. Isn't that beautiful? So if you're nearby and you want to have a beautiful view, you can go into the store, get a little something to eat, and come on outside, sit at that nice beautiful picnic table, and enjoy this spectacular view. Again, this is David at Stoneyard.com.